Hello guys, welcome to Nine Studio discussing about did the time have an end? Time had a beginning, but whether it will have an end depends on the nature of dark energy that is causing it to expand at an accelerating rate. The rate of this expansion may eventually tear the universe apart, forcing it to end in a big rip. Alternatively, dark energy may decay, reversing the Big Bang and ending the universe in a big crunch, or the universe may simply expand forever. What would any of these future scenarios end time? Well, according to the strange rules of quantum mechanics, tiny random particles can momentarily pop out of a vacuum, something seen constantly in particle physics experiments. Some have argued that dark energy could cause such quantum fluctuations, giving rise to a new Big Bang, ending our timeline and starting a new one. While this is extremely speculative and highly unlikely, what we do is that only when we understand dark energy will know the fate of the universe. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to Nine Minds.